Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'll be looking at the MobileMaxx aluminum hard drive racks and cartridges. These products basically come with the same things. You've got a manual, some keys, and some screws. Now, these products differ. This is a complete kit. And what that means is that you have the inside, which is a cartridge basically, which comes out. And of course you can pop it back in again. Plus the part which actually mounts inside of your case, which is this part right here. Now, the other piece that you can buy after you buy this piece is the cartridge. So maybe you want to have just one of these, and maybe you want to have a couple of these to have a few different hard drives in for backup reasons and transportability. So that's the basic difference between these two items. And both of these, as you can see here, have an LED in the front, and it has this lever here which makes it very easy to pull this out and of course slide the drive back in. And there's also a locking mechanism right here. To unlock, it's all the way down. You can lock it with the power off, or you can lock it with the power on. Of course, this is when the whole unit is installed inside of your 5¼ inch bay. These products also come in 3 different colors: beige, black, and silver. This just makes it easy to match up the product with your particular case. Again, here at the front we have this LCD. We also have a lever, and this is for removing the cartridge that's inside of the cartridge frame. And right here we have a key lock. Now, how this key lock works is like so. Right now it's all the way down, and I can put it actually in another position clockwise, and that would mean it would be powered off but locked. So it could be inside of your system and it would not be powered on. You also have another setting. You can actually turn it a little bit more clockwise and you can power on the unit when it's inside of your case, but again, it's locked. So when it's locked, of course, you can't pull this out of the case when the system and the hard drive is running. At the front of the cartridge frame is a little drop-down door, and that is revealed when you take out the cartridge, as you can see. And this is basically to preserve the look of the front of your case. Now, this is the cartridge, and this is where the hard drive gets installed. And you simply remove the plate here on the top. And remember, this is all aluminum, as well as the frame on this is aluminum. That helps just dissipate more heat. Inside of the cartridge is where you connect the hard drive. And of course you have a power connection in here. You have all the connections here for master and slave, and refer to the manual on this because this corresponds to dip switches on the back. Depending upon your hard drive, of course, is going to depend how these are connected. Right here is the IDE connection, as well as a little thermal sensor inside of here that detects the temperature of the hard drive when it is inside of the unit and installed. Now, once you have installed the hard drive, connected everything properly, go ahead then, slip that plate back on, and then go ahead and install the cartridge inside the cartridge frame. When the product is installed inside of your case, you can see it does look very cool. Now let's focus in here on the LCD. At the very bottom is a set button, an up button, and a down button. And right here within the LCD itself, at the top left shows hard drive activity, master or slave. And at the top right, there's a little fan spinning. That fan is actually inside the cartridge frame. And at the very right of the LCD shows you the temperature status and the temperature here in the center. Now you can change the temperature, either showing you Celsius or Fahrenheit by pressing the set button and selecting it Fahrenheit or Celsius. And also, once you press set again, you have an option of setting a threshold. Now what this threshold is when the temperature reaches, for example, 50 degrees C, it will alarm. And this is how loud that alarm actually is. This product also has what's called an HUTR display, and that stands for Hard Drive Usage Time Record. It shows you in days and hours how long your hard drive has been operational. These hard drive racks and cartridges make it very, very convenient to remove your hard drive and install it again, whether you're transporting it from or to your office, or maybe you're at a LAN party and you don't want to keep your hard drive in your case. Also, with this product, of course, it's very inexpensive, which even makes it better to own and to have more security with regards to your system and your own personal data. Overall, this product is kick-ass. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also, be sure to pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Until the next time, take care.